Hello Cancer, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I'm here with your April 1st through the 15th love reading and guidance. Welcome. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and like the video if you resonate with the video. I hope you do. Just before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I am an intuitive reader, a spirit guide, a healer. And so I am here to help you guys figure out what's going on in your love life. Also, these are readings that you can just listen to. So pop in those earphones and just listen. Let's get started. So we're going to look at two things for this Cancer. It's going to be your feelings toward each other, you and a person of interest. And then we're going to look at you guys' view. How do you view them and how do they view you? Now, this is only going to cover those two things, but I do have a link down below in the description box for the extended. So if you want to know more about this situation, definitely get an extended because it goes deeper. We look at the intentions, the real, true intentions for each other. What do you really want? What do they really want? Okay? And cover secrets and more. All right? So if you're interested, check that out. Now, let's go ahead and jump right in. Your feelings. How do you feel about your person of interest? Okay, out of character a little bit. For some reason, this person has taken you out of your comfort zone. Okay, you feel like you're not yourself about this person. They make you feel some type of way. And I think that that's what it is. This person is making you feel some type of way. They make you feel funny about things or about yourself. And I think, I can't tell if it's in a good way, a bad way, or if it's not really a big deal. But whatever this person does to you, they make you feel different kinds of feelings and emotions that you've never felt before. You're noticing a change or shift in your behavior patterns ever since you started to like this person or connect with this love interest. You feel like a hopeless romantic. That's what it is, Cancer. You feel like a hopeless romantic. And you guys could have been at one point overburdened with this connection or with a particular aspect within this connection, but you're not overburdened or overwhelmed with that feeling anymore. Now you feel like so romantic toward this person. It's like a new passion is coming through during these first 2 weeks of April. You seem more calm, cool, and collected about everything. I don't sense that you're really worried about anything major in this connection. I see that you guys are feeling pretty settled in. Okay, it feels like, okay, these are my feelings. They feel weird, but I'm cool. I'm cool with how I feel. And so you're relaxed. This person puts you in your comfort zone. Your feelings are pretty chill, Cancer. They put you in some type of, I don't know if they're putting you in a daze. You just really are into this person and they make you feel some type of way. But you feel like you don't need to do anything else, or you don't need to really be around anyone else. They could be calming to you. They could be like a walking lavender flower or scent. They're very, very soothing to you and calm, and talking to this person is therapeutic for you. It's like therapy. They make you feel different about things. This makes you nervous. This person makes you nervous. You have little goosebumps with this person, Cancer, or like, if it's not goosebumps, you got the chills, or it's spooky a little bit. Like, I don't know, it's something that's making you nervous. It's like this feels like your first time having a crush, or like you hadn't had a crush like this in a long time. This person is someone who you crush on in a major way. You really do like this person. You really are interested in them. And the feelings that they make you feel, you know it's not them. You know that they're just being who they are, but you love listening to them or talking to them or being around them. There is something about them that you really do like. Now, how does this person feel about the Cancer? Oh, wow. Cancer. You're pregnant, or if you're a male Cancer, the person is pregnant or will be. This person just got pregnant, something like that. There's a big pregnancy energy here. If you're dealing with an Aries, Taurus, Capricorn, and I think Aquarius, you guys may want to check their readings out too on my channel, because somebody is, okay? Somebody is. I'm getting that. So this person could be sleeping a lot. Even if it's a male, they're getting the same symptoms. Like they're sleeping a lot, finding it hard to get involved in social activities because this person's been really drained and tired, wanting to be inside the house all the time, not wanting to go out much. This person could be in literally hermit mode, could be like a hermit, just inside. Okay, and it doesn't have to be pregnancy, but what it can be is that you guys are dealing with a male or a female who is a homebody. And I think that maybe you're just starting to notice this about them. But this person feels like, or they could feel like you're a homebody, Cancer. This person may feel like you're always at home. You don't want to do anything social. You don't want to get out. You're like a hermit. Okay? But this person feels like you're territorial about them as well. Like for some reason, it's like either you're not wanting this person to get out and go out and be social, or they're not wanting you to go out and be social. This person feels like you're territorial, Cancer, or they could be territorial about you. They don't want anyone around you. Wow. They don't want anyone around you, Cancer. They're like, you're all mine. I'm definitely getting pickles. Somebody's craving pickles. Okay, this person feels like they don't need to do too much moving around at this time. Like they just want to focus on things around the home, around the house. They're happy where they are as long as you're there. All right, as long as you're there, they can be lazy. They can do whatever. They really don't care. As long as you're around them, it's like they don't want to go anywhere. Okay, that's cute, Cancer. Look at you. Somebody really wants to be under you guys like all night. Okay. Now, let's look at the point of view. Okay, Cancer, how do you see this person? Wow. You think highly of them. I see here that you see this person is following their destiny. You see them as someone who's on the right path in life, and that everything that they're doing is a part of their destiny. Like this person is the epitome of what it means to live your dreams. You know how people say that, but it sounds good, but it doesn't turn out perfect. You see this person for some reason having a perfect life story of someone who was able to finally live their dreams. That's how you view them. This person could be taking some type of trip, or about to take a trip to go off somewhere and live their dreams. Okay, or maybe this is metaphorical. Maybe you just see this person is proceeding on their life journey. Maybe you see that this is someone who is growing and gaining wisdom along the way, and they're living their life, and it's a beautiful thing because I think you've witnessed it. This is someone who you watch. It's a person you must watch, Cancer. It must be someone who you see on social media. You see them glowing up, growing, evolving, or leveling up. You see this person going through something that is just beautiful. You see them as someone who's taking action on their dreams. They're really literally making their dreams come true. You see that this person's open to trying different things now. So you could be kind of like watching this person, okay? Like when you're not around them, you watch their social media, or like I said, this is like a crush, and maybe you hadn't spent time with them. Could be that too, but you watch them and you see that this person is like really unique. They're really living their dreams. You feel like this person's always going to be protected and divinely guided wherever they go in life. You feel like this person has some strong protection surrounding them. Okay. Wow. So how does this person see you? Okay, there's a strong energy of fire coming through. This person must be a fire sign, Cancer. Could be an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius who you're interested in, or who you're crushing on, or who is your love interest here. This person is now seeing you as someone who is at the stage of completion in your life. Like they know that things are ending in your life, okay? And they see you getting ready to have a new beginning since things ended. Now, this could be a person who you wanted to pursue, Cancer, but you see them moving on to be with like their true love or something like that. Or if not, then this is a person who you're actually pursuing and you actually are with them, okay? Either way, it could go either way, but this is someone who sees you needing to prepare for a beautiful experience, especially if this is a crush for you, Cancer. It's like Christmas Day to this person, okay? Especially if this person is pregnant or you're pregnant. If you guys are finding out about a pregnancy, then this person sees you as being happy about this. Like they're so happy. You are so happy about this, okay? Something is happening around a pregnancy, but they see you, Cancer, being extremely happy about it. And Cancer, you may feel like this is a part of their destiny. Like that's what you saw in them. You saw them being a parent, a mother, and you're so happy for them just because you know they really wanted this their whole life, or that it's just a beautiful thing for this person to finally get a dream come true. This is so beautiful. This is beautiful. This person sees you glowing, Cancer, especially my females. If you're female, this person sees you glowing. You're anticipating this pregnancy. Or if not, then there is something that's about to come into your life maybe, or you're about to celebrate something. This person knows that a new opportunity is on the way to you, okay? This person sees you being open to a higher power as well, like you're really into God, or you're into church more, or you're praying more, or you're just starting to change, Cancer. You're starting to become a better person. Wow. But yeah, this person sees you getting something. They see you starting a special friendship with someone, or you're about to get some gifts or like a big reward. Something is happening here, Cancer. You guys are about to receive something beautiful, or you're going to watch someone else receive this. It's either way, and there is a strong fire sign involved. An Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius is involved in this. And you're either watching this person, or you're actually the one like gifting this person with this. Like you're giving them a gift, or they're giving you a gift, or wow. There's something here about pregnancy, motherhood, being a mother. There's a big energy here. Okay, wow. This whatever all this is, it's going to be a story to tell. Someone's going to have a story to tell, or a testimony to tell to their children because of the beautiful things that they're about to experience in their life. That's what I'm getting here. But if it's not you, Cancer, then you're really happy for this person. Like you're genuinely happy for this person because you know what this person has gone through in their life. You're genuinely happy for them. Or if this is happening for you, they're genuinely happy for you. All right. So, wow, this is amazing. Okay. And this could, like I said, this could be the two of you. You both could be celebrating something together. You two could be coming together and living your dreams together with this person you're interested in. So you have many different ways. We're going to look more into this and to find out the secrets here, what's hiding, what does this person really want in your life at this time, and yeah, getting through the energy. But it's beautiful. Let me know if you need a personal. My contact is down below as well. Thanks, guys. God bless.